Hi, and welcome back to the Stained Canvas. Today I am doing a little impromptu sketchbook sketchbook page rather, and that's why the camera angle is a little bit different because I didn't plan on actually filming anything on this day. I was just playing around in my sketchbook, and then I decided at the very last minute while I was on this page here that, oh, this might be a really fun thing to show you guys. So what I'm putting in my sketchbook right now is some Faber-castel gelatos, and they were an art supply that was around a couple years ago. I don't know if you could still buy them anywhere, but I have some from way back when, and so I've decided to play with them, and I'm just laying them down, trying to mix a little bit of the colors. And what I'm going to do today is called reductive art. So I'm taking away, and I'm using stencil. So it's a stencil technique that you can use in any of your artwork. It's great for mixed media work, seeing the layers underneath. It's quite a fantastic thing to try and to play with. Now, if you can see, my paper is kind of, I need to be a little gentle here. So I'm not really going over with a lot of pressure. But I let it dry just a tiny bit, and then I have my stencil. And what I'm going to do is grab a baby wipe and just kind of rub the gelatos off. Now, because gelatos are water reactive, they come off quite easily, and I can then see the stencil underneath. So this is the reductive part, the reducing the pigment that is showing through. So here you have the pigment on that side, and then I'm going to continue on in all of the colored regions. So I'm going to do the green here, and then once this green area is done, I'm going to return to the lower left side and do some more in the lighter blue area. But you'll see when I do the lighter blue area, it's quite fantastic because my baby wipe is dirty. So as I'm taking off some of the gelato pigment, I'm also laying down some of the dirty, so you could tell it looks, I don't know if you could see it, but it looks 3D because I like some of that dirty green ended up on the edges. So now what I'm doing in this one green section is I'm just going to add a very quick sketch of like a little kid or a little girl or whatever, but I'm going in with my Faber-Castell graphite aquarelle pencil. It's the 6B pencil, I believe, so it's a nice dark pencil. And the cool thing about an aquarelle pencil is if you get it wet, it gets super dark. So you'll notice I'm just laying down the initial sketch here really quickly, figuring out where I want my eyes and lips and stuff like that to be. And then I'm going to actually dip the tip of the pencil into my water bowl or my water dish, and then put in some dark colors. So the pupils in the eyes, the eyebrows, I put a little darkness into the hair, so the hair looks, you know, a little fuller, that kind of thing. I'm not going full on in this, but I am going to define the mouth a little bit more and just play around. Like I said, it's just an impromptu sketchbook page that I was just having fun with water, and you'll see the paper is barely standing up to the water. I'm surprised it hasn't fallen apart. It nearly has. You'll see in a second. I'm going to actually lift it up here, and it's barely holding together. But this is just a dollar store sketchbook. Lots of fun to play in. And because it's such cheap paper, I really don't care about it. So I feel free enough to make these really impromptu, let's play with water, let's see what this does kind of artworks. So I hope you like it, and I hope you try the reductive technique with a stencil. You could do it with any kind of pattern. It's a lot of fun to do, actually. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and like, subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.